What if I told you Porsche's most loved sports car is about to change forever? The iconic German automaker is on the brink of a revolution, and it's coming sooner than you think. In 2026, Porsche will unleash its first fully electric sports car, the 718 EV, and it's set to redefine everything we thought we knew about electric performance. Picture this: a sleek, lightweight body that screams Porsche DNA, but with a silent heart of pure electricity. The 718 EV isn't just another electric car. It's Porsche's bold statement that the future of driving excitement is here, and it doesn't need a drop of gasoline. But hold on, because this isn't just any electric car. This is the replacement for the beloved Cayman and Boxster, two models that have captured the hearts of driving enthusiasts for decades. Porsche isn't just dipping its toes into the electric waters. It's diving in headfirst, and it's bringing its A-game. The 718 EV will be underpinned by Porsche's next-generation electric vehicle platform, a technological marvel that promises to deliver the kind of performance and handling that Porsche fans have come to expect. We're talking about a power output that's expected to hit around 450 horsepower. That's enough to catapult this electric beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Let that sink in for a moment. This isn't just fast. This is Porsche fast. But Porsche isn't content with just raw numbers. They're targeting the likes of the Tesla Roadster and the Lotus Evora EV, but with a twist. While those cars might focus on straight-line speed and eye-popping acceleration figures, Porsche is promising something more. They're vowing to deliver a driver-focused handling experience that will make you forget you were piloting an electric car. Now you might be thinking, sure, but how does it stack up against the competition? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the electric sports car landscape of 2026, and trust me, it's a wild ride. While Tesla and Lotus are busy chasing headline-grabbing top speeds, Porsche is taking a different approach. They're focusing on what they do best, creating a harmonious blend of power, precision, and pure driving pleasure. The 718 EV isn't just about getting from point A to point B as quickly as possible. It's about enjoying every single moment of the journey. But here's where things get really interesting. The 718 EV isn't just aimed at the hardcore Porsche enthusiasts. No, Porsche has something much bigger in mind. They're targeting a wider audience, and they're doing it by making the 718 EV more affordable than its gas-powered sibling, the legendary 911. Think about that for a second. A Porsche that's not only electric, but also more accessible to a broader range of drivers. It's a bold move, and it could be the key to bringing a whole new generation of fans into the Porsche fold. Of course, this ambitious project isn't without its challenges. Porsche is facing a steep climb when it comes to production, battery efficiency, and perhaps most importantly, staying true to its DNA. The question on everyone's mind is, can Porsche really create an electric sports car that lives up to the legacy of its combustion-powered predecessors? It's a question that's keeping Porsche engineers up at night, and it's one that has the entire automotive world on the edge of its seat. Because let's face it, this isn't just about Porsche. This is about the future of sports cars as we know them. The 718 EV represents more than just a new model. It's a litmus test for the entire industry. If Porsche can pull this off, if they can create an electric sports car that truly captures the essence of what makes driving exciting, it could change everything. Imagine a world where electric sports cars aren't just accepted but celebrated. A world where the whine of an electric motor is as thrilling as the roar of a flat-six engine. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But here's the thing, if anyone can do it, it's Porsche. They've been defying expectations and pushing the boundaries of what's possible for decades. The 718 EV isn't just another car. It's Porsche's chance to prove that the soul of a true driverless car can exist in the electric age. As we look ahead to 2026, the anticipation is building. Car enthusiasts around the world are holding their breath, wondering if this will be the moment when electric vehicles truly come of age in the sports car world. Will the Porsche 718 EV be the car that silences the skeptics? Will it prove once and for all that electric vehicles can be true driver's cars? Or will it fall short of the lofty expectations set by its gasoline-powered ancestors? These are the questions that are keeping the automotive world buzzing with excitement. And as we count down the days to the 718 EV's launch, one thing is certain: the future of sports cars is about to be rewritten. But here's where you come in. We want to know what you think. If you had the choice, would you opt for Porsche's electric sports car over the Tesla Roadster? Or are you one of those die-hard enthusiasts who believes that nothing can replace the raw, visceral experience of a gas-powered classic? Maybe you're somewhere in the middle, excited about the possibilities of electric performance, but not quite ready to let go of the past. Wherever you stand, we want to hear from you. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about what the manufacturers think. It's about what you, the drivers, the enthusiasts, the people who live and breathe cars, want from the future of automotive performance. So as we stand on the brink of this electric revolution, with Porsche leading the charge, we're turning to you. Will you embrace the silent speed of the 718 EV? Or will you fight to keep the flame of traditional sports cars alive? The choice is yours, and the future of sports cars hangs in the balance. So tell us, are you ready for Porsche's electric future, or are you holding on to the past? The comment section is open, and the debate starts now. Let's hear what you've got to say about the 2026 Porsche 718 EV, the car that's set to redefine the electric sports car as we know it.